Curiosity octopuses. 1. Life. Octopuses have 3 hearts, because 2 pump blood to the gills and a larger heart circulates blood to the rest of the body. Octopuses have 9 brains because, in addition to the central brain, each of 8 arms has a mini-brain that allows it to act independently. Octopuses have blue blood because they have adapted to cold, low-oxygen water by using hemocyanin, a copper-rich protein. We know that octopuses are intelligent because they like to play and use tools, but we have no way of relating to what it would be like to have 9 brains. The central brain is a donut shape that forms a ring around the esophagus, so when an octopus swallows, its food must pass through the brain. What a concept! Food for thought. The most interesting thing is that they have a mini brain in each arm. This adds up to a lot of distributed brain power. Since each arm has a mini brain, the central brain just sends a higher level signal to the arm, something like move to crevice for possible crab. In our case, our brain would guide and control each movement of our arm. With an octopus, the arm acts almost independently as it proceeds to probe into the crevice, tasting and feeling with its suckers. Multiply this 8 times for 8 arms, and we can see that the mini brains take a big load off the central brain. Each arm is controlled by an elaborate nervous system, consisting of more than 40 million neurons connected to the octopus's suckers. 2. Studies. Researchers have found that 180 million neurons in the central brain are connected to more than 40 million neurons in each of the 8 arms. Perhaps the central brain feels like the conductor of a symphony. Fun fact. If an octopus loses an arm, it can regenerate a perfectly functioning replacement. The arm is sending signals about taste and texture, but no details about location and orientation. In our bodies, we have an ability called proprioception that lets us know where our arms are even if they are out of sight. We can scratch our backs with precision because we know where our hand is relative to our back. 3. Curiosities. Octopuses haven't missed out on acquiring this useful ability. They don't know exactly where their arms are for a good reason. We carry a fixed map of our body in our brain, but that would be impossible for an octopus since their body shape is so fluid and constantly changing. Another interesting question about having 8 arms covered with suckers: how do they keep all those arms from sticking to each other and getting all tied up in knots? Especially when they don't know exactly where their arms are. Turns out that octopus skin secretes a chemical to keep the suckers from sticking to it. Sounds essential for avoiding a tangled mess. Octopus sex and the thrill of surviving. Talking about arms, let's touch on sex. Yes, there is one arm that plays an important role in octopus sex. The gist is that when a male and female octopus mate, the male reaches over with his specialized arm and delicately deposits 1 or 2 packets of sperm underneath the female's mantle. And then he backs off quickly. He needs a long arm for this special delivery because the female can become cannibalistic as soon as she receives his love packet. Now that she has his sperm, the male is only good for one thing: nourishment. Research, vitorleonardi. Hello friends, if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, strengthen our work. It's very important to expand the channel. I'll tell you, thank you.